In a world where efficiency, safety, and sustainability matter more than ever, industrial logistics is evolving. For decades, wooden pallets have been the industry norm, but they come at a cost. Short lifespan, frequent repairs, chemical fumigation, and rising disposal expenses. They suffer from bacterial infestation, high maintenance, and are often non-compliant in exports due to strict regulations. Now, let me introduce Metal Pallets by Augmenta, the future of industrial packaging. They are durable, hygienic, recyclable, and fully compliant with global EHS standards. That means durable, hygienic, recyclable, EHS compliant. Designed for performance and safety, Metal Pallets offer a life cycle of over 10 years, significantly reducing your total cost of ownership. They are 100% recyclable, supporting your sustainability goals. Fire resistance lowers warehouse insurance premiums. No nails or splinters means safer handling for your teams. Easy sanitization makes them perfect for pharma and chemical industries. And they are engineered for high load stability and cleanroom compatibility. Each pallet is crafted from galvanized steel and painted MS pipe, precision engineered with MIG welding for strength, anti-corrosive coatings for chemical resistance, plastic molded corners for safety, and built-in drainage and barcode tracking for modern operations. Compared to wooden or plastic pallets, Metal Pallets deliver lower long-term costs, greater load capacity, and zero compliance hurdles. When you look at the numbers: longer lifespan, lower maintenance, full recyclability, no fire risk, and superior hygiene, the total cost of ownership is simply unbeatable. Made entirely in India, Augmenta's pallets promote environmental responsibility, reduce deforestation, and save foreign exchange by replacing imported wood and plastic. Sustainable, scalable, proudly made in India. Join the packaging transformation. Choose performance. Choose sustainability. Choose Augmenta.